Have you ever wondered about the largest battle in Europe prior to World War I? In the early 19th century, the geopolitical climate of Europe was a simmering cauldron of power dynamics and strategic alliances. At the heart of this turmoil was the French Empire under the audacious leadership of Napoleon. Simultaneously, a formidable counterweight was forming, the coalition forces. Comprising Austria, Prussia, Russia and Sweden, they were united by a common goal: to curtail French expansionism and restore balance to the European continent. As the tensions escalated, the stage was being set for a battle that would shape the course of history. The year was 1813, and the city of Leipzig, nestled in the heart of Saxony, was about to become the unwilling host to this epic confrontation. The Battle of Leipzig, also known as the Battle of Nations, was looming on the horizon. As the stage was set for a decisive confrontation, the city of Leipzig in Saxony would bear witness to a battle of epic proportions. The Battle of Leipzig, also known as the Battle of the Nations, was about to commence. In the heart of Saxony, in what is now Germany, a battle of epic proportions was beginning to unfold. The strategic maneuvers on both sides were nothing short of masterful. Napoleon's forces, though outnumbered, fought with a ferocity that was truly admirable. The French Empire, under the indomitable leadership of Napoleon, resisted fiercely, refusing to yield an inch without a fight. On the other side, the coalition forces, an alliance of Austria, Prussia, Russia and Sweden, applied relentless pressure. Their combined strength and strategic prowess were a force to be reckoned with. The scale of the battle was staggering, the largest in Europe until the outbreak of World War I. The air was thick with the smoke of cannon fire, the ground trembled under the weight of marching soldiers, and the cries of battle echoed for miles around. Despite a valiant struggle, the French Empire was dealt a crushing blow at Leipzig. The Battle of Leipzig marked a turning point in the Napoleonic Wars. Following the defeat, Napoleon's forces were compelled to retreat, leaving behind a significant portion of their artillery and supplies. This defeat was not merely a setback on the battlefield, it was a critical blow to the French Empire's hold over Europe, the immediate aftermath. Napoleon's defeat at Leipzig set in motion a series of events that led to his subsequent downfall and abdication. It signaled the end of French dominance in Europe, paving the way for the reconfiguration of the continent's political landscape. The balance of power shifted, and the coalition forces of Austria, Prussia, Russia and Sweden emerged as significant players on the European stage. This battle, also known as the Battle of Nations, was the largest battle in Europe before the outbreak of World War I. The Battle of Leipzig, a pivotal moment in history, forever changed the course of Europe.